Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. New day, new learning. We all are ready to learn more. Yes or no? Yes, we are always ready to learn more and more. So, open your English book, My English Reader. Now, open page number 13 of your book. Write today's date. Today is July 29, 2020. And today is Wednesday. What we say? Wednesday. We never say Wednesday. It is Wednesday. So let's start reading. You should have pencil with you so that you can underline words also, and whenever I will tell you meaning, you have to write meaning also. So, the canary. You know what is a canary? Canary is a small sparrow of yellow color. Canary is a yellow colored, very small sparrow. Have you seen English sparrow? Huh? So it is just like that. So let's start. Somu's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday. A little yellow canary. Now underline word wonderful and birthday. What has happened? On the birthday of Somus, his father gave him a very beautiful gift. That is a bird. What is the name of that bird? A canary. A yellow colored small sparrow. Somu named her Molly. A name was given to her by a Somu and her name was Molly. Molly sang softly and sweetly. All the time, Molly was very happy with Somu. That's why Molly always sang sweet songs for Somu. At first, Somu looked after the bird. When the Molly was new to Somu, he always took care of her. Each day he cleaned her cage. Every day Somu cleaned her cage. It was the duty of Somu to clean her cage. Gave her seeds and fresh water. Timely, he served her seeds to eat and fresh water to drink. At tea time, he gave her lump of sugar. At tea time, when all the family members they were taking tea, Somu gave Molly a lump of sugar. Molly was very happy in her cage. Molly was really very happy because Somu was taking lots of care of her. Molly's friends were very jealous of her. Molly's friend, they didn't like this, that Molly is not doing any work and she is getting healthy food, good water, fresh water and clean cage to live. So Molly's friend, they did not like that. She would sing sweet song for them when Somu's friend would come to her. Whenever Somu's friend come to her, Molly always sang beautiful songs for Somu's friend. After some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. Underline word interest. Now Somu is not taking fun by playing with Molly. He had not having any more interest in Molly. Now it was no longer fun to look after her. Now Somu did not want to take care of Molly. One day he did not clean the cage. Another day he did not feed her. And then worst of all, he forgot to give her water. Now see how he was not taking care of Molly. One day he did not give her seeds to eat. Can we live without food? If we cannot live, so how a sparrow can? Another day he forgot to give her water. So Molly was becoming very sad. Now Molly was not happy in the cage of Somu. Somu loved her no longer and she could not sing. Now Somu did not love Molly, and for that Molly forgot to sing. She could not sing because she became thirsty all the time. She was not getting fresh water. She was not getting fresh seeds to eat. How she got energy to sing? So she did not sing. She went to her water dish, hoping there might just a drop of water, but there was not any. Now Molly went to her water dish. Water dish means where Somu kept water for Molly. She went nearby the water dish to see whether water is there to drink, but there was not a single drop of water in the dish. And Molly was very unhappy. What is the meaning of unhappy? Unhappy means sad. And one more difficult word is there, little. What is little? Little means small. And canary, you know the canary? Canary is a yellow colored sparrow, very small in size. Clear? So this is page number 13. Now open page number 14. Tweet, tweet, called Molly loudly. But Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun and took no notice of Little Bird. Now Somu is busy with his new toy gun. He got a new toy gun. So he was busy with that new toy and he forgot Molly. But Molly was calling Somu by saying tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet is sound of Molly. But Somu was not bothering her. She cried and her friends felt very sorry for her. Earlier her friends, Molly's friends who felt jealous of her, now they were feeling bad for Molly. They said tear ran down her face. Molly was so lonely, without friends, in cage, without seeds, without water. Tear means water which comes out of our eyes, which come out from our eyes when we are crying. So tear ran down her face. Oh, I am in this cage and I can't get out to find food and water for myself, she said. Molly said to herself, oh, if I will not be in the cage, then I was able to get water and food for myself. But right now, Molly was in cage and she was not able to move out to get food and water. Chirpy the sparrow was sad too and said, we wish we could help you. Chirpy the sparrow, another sparrow, friend of Molly. She said, what she said, she was also very sad and she said, I really want to help you. The little canary drooped her little yellow head and prayed to God. That small canary, Molly, she was in the cage. She drooped her head. Just put her head down and pray to God for her survival. Come to next paragraph. Early next morning, Somu's mother came to wake him. She was surprised when she did not hear the sweet voice of Canary. The very next morning, when Somu's mother came to Somu's room to wake him up, she was surprised because there was no sweet voice of Canary. She peered into the cage. Peered means, underline word peered. Peered means looked. She looked into the cage. Molly was lying there half dead. Molly was so weak she was not able to move. She seems to be looked like half dead. Somu's mother took her out of the cage carefully and stroked her yellow feathers. Now what did Somu's mother do? She brought Canary out of the cage and pat her head. She fed the little bird with fresh seeds and water. After that, she gave fresh seeds and fresh water to that little bird. Somu's mother, she was very angry with her son. Somu's mother was too much angry with her son. She said, Somu, what a dreadful thing. If you can't look after this poor creature, you have no right to keep it. I'm so ashamed of you. Somu's mother scolded him so badly. She said, Somu, if you are not able to look after this little creature means animal or bird, if you are not able to look after this small living being, then you don't have any right to keep it with you. So, Mama is saying, I felt really bad that you are my son, that you are not able to look after this small animal. Somu burst into tears and felt sorry. Now Somu realized his mistake. He started crying. Therefore, he looked after Molly, the little canary, very well. After this incident, Somu always took care of that little Molly. Now, beta, it's our duty if we are having any pet in our home. This is our duty to take care of that pet. It's our duty to give that pet timely food, water, and whatever the things we have to clean her that animal's place. Clear to everyone? So this is all about the chapter. Read this chapter loudly. I have given one work to you also. I have given 4 words. If you have heard me very carefully, then you are able to do that work. What do you have to do? I have given you 4 words. You have to write meanings of those words. And after writing meanings in your copy, you have to make sentences of those words. And after doing work, you have to submit your copy to Roxy ma'am, to Twinkle ma'am, to Angan ma'am, to Roshni ma'am, your concerned teacher. Okay? Whosoever is teaching you, you have to send your copies to the same teacher. Till day, take care of yourself. Good day.